What up, everybody? How you guys doing today? Today we are at the local mall, I think at Coastal Grand Mall. It's in Myrtle Beach. I'm mainly doing this because I want to film on my new phone. My old phone just decided to break out of nowhere, right? That was not good at all. I'm testing the new cameras. I've never vlogged. But also I'm doing this as kind of a learning experience. I'd like to vlog more like this, than just the parks and the water parks, because, I mean, they're good vlogs, but I can't, it's not like I can go to one every day, you know? So, kind of what I'm trying to do, more actual vlogs. I'll see how I feel about it. Not making any ton of kind of commitment right now to do these all the time, but I'm trying it out, maybe, and if I like it, then I'll keep doing it. So I guess this is Stars and Stripes right here. Yeah, not gonna go in there today, but maybe if you guys want to see that in a future video, I'll definitely go and show you guys what that is. Guys, so these are pretty cool because they look like cargo pants, I think they're called. Yeah, it looks like that, but they're actually just sweatpants. That's pretty cool. I think they're over here too. Guys, so notice that she's, whenever they go by people go like free samples and stuff, she pretends she's deaf. It's kind of funny. We're going to this one aisle right now. This is kind of a place that not many shops are. I'm vlogging weird right now. I'm vlogging with my other hand, so it's weird. I have these shoes. They're kind of like the rip-off Nike Blazers. They're the Court Royals. They're $70 right now. Kind of need a new pair. Mine are kind of worn out, but don't think I'm gonna be doing that today. Yeah, we're in Rack Room right now. Air Maxes. Alright guys, we just got a jean jacket. Been meaning to get one for quite a while.
Well, and the thing is, I think that's a decent price.
Yeah, I agree.
And it is unique. I mean, you won't get it mixed up with anybody or anything.
Alright you guys, so we're just getting out of the mall. Picked up the jean jacket. Definitely been meaning to get that for a while. Thank you, Nona.
You're welcome.
Yeah, didn't really get anything else today because then after this, probably gonna go back home and maybe give you guys a little bit of room tour action. I'm gonna have to definitely clean a little bit before, but yeah, maybe guys give you a updated room tour. I haven't done one since 2021, so yeah, it's changed a lot since then. All right, y'all, so we're just getting out of the mall. Got some Old Navy stuff. We got those sweatpants that look like dress, and just got a kind of plain gray shirt for outfits and stuff. So yeah, let's go home. All right, Joe, so last time I talked, I might have said I was gonna do a room tour, but that didn't happen. We just watched a scary movie. We watched what's it called, Sinister? Dad, give you a review.
Unsatisfying.
Unsatisfying? I thought it was decent. I mean, it's definitely not the best I've seen, but I didn't think it was bad.
C or C minus.
Well, it's better than the reviews gave it. The reviews gave it a D.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is a second one. Don't know if I'm gonna watch it or not. Maybe he doesn't want to. So yeah. Now we're going out to get food and go places. We're going to Goodwill, right?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna get Gino's pizza. So yeah. Your float. I'll get a blast. Alright, you guys. I forgot to mention, in the middle of the movie, if you guys don't know about Sinister, it's there's this skull thing that I don't know. It looks like a boogeyman. It's called Mr. Boogie. And so, in the middle of the movie, my dad thought we had this random skull with it had a black dress on it. And my dad just decided to bring it up right next to me in the middle of the movie. He was grabbing something. I didn't know what it was. I didn't think twice about it because I was watching the movie. And I looked behind me, and then there's this big thing here. That's the skull thing. It looked similar to the movie. So I did a little scream. And I almost dropped my milk that I was drinking. What was the sound I made? I was good. I don't know. It freaked me out. So yeah, that was mean. Guys, we were just at this light for about How many minutes?
10 minutes?
Not 10 minutes.
A long
It was
time.
more like 6 minutes, probably. What if we had to wait again?
Yeah, I mean, people are going to be gunning it.
People are still waiting down there.
I know.
Where are we going?
We're going to the pizza place we like.
Why'd we turn here?
This is a way to go.
Oh boy. Oh, they made a new road to go to Walmart.
Yeah, they're going to close the other road, I think.
Oh,
I think.
that's what you think?
That's what I think. Jeez, what are they putting up more stuff?
Yep.
Brother.
Yeah, this place is developing like crazy.
Oh, what is
Guys, my dad's leaving me.
hurry up. I gotta get my points. Open fetch. Don't record me.
Guys,
You videotape it.
I have Mountain Dew right here. I never drink Mountain Dew except when we come here. Because it's the only thing they have that I like.
Starry. Try Starry.
No, I'm not going to wheeze the juice. Dad's making a mess.
I am. Not even trying.
Alright guys, so I did promise you guys a room tour. So, here we go. It's really not much, but I just kind of did a little bit of reorganizing in here. So I figured I'd show you guys what it looks like now. So as you come into the room, this is what you see. It's not completely clean right now. I still got my bags from earlier. This is kind of messy, but yeah. My bag for school right here. Yeah, my school does have a clear bag policy, so that kind of sucks. I really don't like it. I've just got a couple of folders in there and a lint roller on the side. School is not in session right now when I'm filming this. So, yeah, there's nothing really in it. Up there, I just have something that says coffee, Instagram, email, repeat, which is, I live by that. So, yeah. Except email is kind of YouTube, but whatever. Another little cool message up there. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. So, yeah, remember that. Always, if you're thinking about doing something, then do it, because you're going to fail if you don't try. So you could fail and try, but at least you know you tried, right? Here's a little, kind of little dresser. This is where all my clothes are, stuff, pajamas, sweatpants, I think, shorts, bathing suit, socks, whatever, and then jeans are down there. So, yeah. Pretty messy up here. This is where my PS4 setup is right there. This is for Father's Day tomorrow, because tomorrow's Father's Day. Myrtle Wave stuff. An old Family Kingdom wristband, and yeah. These are the stuff I got today. This is kind of a bomber jacket that says Bodhi on it. Might wear that a little more. Put various knickknacks up there from my childhood that I still really care about. On the other side, we have my theater one, which has all my scripts, memories, props, stuff like that. I want to put my Mr. Wormwood hair up there, but I can't find it right now. I actually don't know where it is, which kind of sucks. I have Newsies, Rudolph. There's part of the yearbook for Once Upon a Mattress. Back there's Matilda. New Newsies Price, Seussical, there's a Cat in the Hat, Shrek scripts right there, and then Once Upon a Mattress right there. Here is the closet with, I tried to color code as best as I can, but it really gets out of order usually. Shawl, up there, not much up there. Like I said, I cleaned out a lot. There's all my shoes, and a couple more back there, but you guys don't get to see back there because it's messy. That's where I put crap. There's all the lights for shows, dirty clothes, trash. You guys may be wondering why I have a chair right there. I don't have like an actual desk. My corner desk is actually back there, but it was just taking up too much space, and I figured I should use the space for something else. So what I do if I have my computer, which I don't right now because I'm doing a show, lighting and sound, and my computer's there. I'd put my computer right here, bring the chair around, and I could just sit right here and do whatever I need to do if we need like a little workspace. I've got something. This is actually side table from Blue's Clues, I think it's from. So, yeah, that's what it was made after. I've got a lava lamp on this side, a lava lamp on that side. So, yeah. That's kind of about it. I mean, we got my bed right here, which is not made at all. Because I'm about to go to bed, actually. So, yeah, Pearl's sleeping over there. Got, when it was called the Carolina Cobra up there, now it's called Flying Cobras. Just random stuff, honestly, never took it down from the last room. So, yeah. That's kind of my updated room tour. Like I said, not much, but I figured I should give you guys one. So, yeah. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I'm going to try and do more of these because I did fairly enjoy it. So, I'm going to hope to do vlogs at least twice a week, maybe 3 times. And who knows, if I really start liking it, maybe I'll do daily. We will see. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. The merch will be the first link in the description. Go cop some merch. It is really good. I don't have it on right now, but it is in my closet. Yeah, if I'm wearing a video, I will definitely let you guys know. So yeah, go check it out. And yeah, other than that, aim high, not low, never quit. See you in the next video. Peace.
Again.